Unit 4 Grammar section Phrasal verbs. Today we are going to see about phrasal verbs. Okay students, shall we move? Phrasal verbs. What do you mean by phrasal verbs? First we are going to see the definition of phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb, a phrasal verb is a verb. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb. That is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both. With an adverb or a preposition or both to create a completely new meaning. To create a completely new meaning. What is meant by phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb. What are the verbs? Be verb, action verb, auxiliary verb, okay, do verb. Yeah. So phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or both to create a completely new meaning. What is phrase? A phrase, on the other hand, is a small group of words put together as a conceptual unit. It does not take a figurative meaning. The meaning of the word is literal. It can be long or short but does not include the subject-verb pairing necessary to make a class. For example, looking stunning, to live and breathe, comfortable, better. So, now phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is a verb. Okay, phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb. Made up of a main verb. Okay, yeah. Now, I want to see phrasal verb. I want to show you some phrasal verb with meanings. See the picture. Read off, get through, ask after, carry over, run after. So read off. Phrasal verb with the meanings. Okay. Read off. I read some information that is printed for displayed on something. The nurse read off patient's temperature from the thermometer. So read off. What do you mean by read off? Read some information that is printed for displayed on something. So the nurse read off patient's temperature from the thermometer. She got through to wrong department. So got through, to be connected by phone. So phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb. With an adverb or a preposition. Okay. Next one, ask after. Did she ask after me in her letter? Ask after, to ask for information about someone. Next one, carry over. The meeting carried over into lunch time. So carried over means continue past a certain point. Okay. Yeah. Next one, run after. I wish my cat wouldn't run after trucks. So run after here, to chase someone or something. I wish my cat wouldn't run after trucks. Next one, come along. Come along means accompany someone. If you want, they can come along. Keep to. He kept to puzzle until it was done. Persist in continue. He kept to puzzle until it was doing. Next one, make over. Make over means to again. The teacher made him do his homework over. Okay, do again. Next one, do without. Do without means manage without something on needs. Manage without something on needs. So example, she can't do without a bicycle. Next one, hold on. Hold on means to wait particularly on the phone. They will hold on another minute. They will call. How to? So have you heard this? Hold on. Okay, when you called somebody, there who is talking with other person. That time one lady is telling, hold on. Yeah. So read or get through, ask after, carry over, run after, come along, keep to, make over, do without, hold on. These are the phrasal verbs. Next one, phrasal verb with live. Phrasal verbs with live. Live down meaning get used to do something shameful. Example, he has never been able to live down his electoral defeat. Next one, live off meaning survive by consuming only a certain thing. Or example, when I was a student, I lived off baked potatoes. Next one, live on meaning survive solely by consuming a certain thing. Example, when he was in the rainforest, he lived on bugs and rainwater. Next one, live out meaning not reside on the premises of one's employer. Example, our nanny used to live out, but now she lives with us. Next one, live through. Survive a difficult period or event. Example, my grandfather lived through the Great Depression. Next one, live up. Fulfill the expectations placed upon. Example, she never lived up to her reputation. Lived up means fulfill the expectations placed upon. Next one, phrasal verbs with back off meaning lower the setting off. Example, could you back off the volume a bit? It's really loud. Back off means lower the setting off. Back off. Back onto. Reverse vehicle onto something. The car backed onto my tool. Next one, back onto. Overlook something from the rear. My house backs onto the canal. Back out. Withdraw from something one has agreed to do. Example, she backed out of organizing the fundraising. Next one, pack up. Move a vehicle backward. Back up the car a little. You are blocking the driveway. Next one, back up. Reconsider one's thought. Example, this isn't working. Let's back up and think about it. Next one, back into meaning rely upon another team's loss in order to advance to the post-season. Example, the 2006 St. Louis Cardinals packed into the playoffs. Next, some phrasal verbs here. Turn on, turn over, turn around, walk away, wash out, try on, think over, spring up, sail out, black off, build up, burn down, cheer up, drink up, find out, fix up. So these are the phrasal verbs. So what is phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb that is made of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition or verb to create complete new meaning. Okay students, thank you for watching my video. Thank you students.